Don't miss the chance to own this prime hospitality bed and breakfast, a 1910 Craftsman manor home completely restored to classic elegance in 2005, with many new updates in 2024. Situated on a 5,5-acre estate which borders Hot Springs National Park in the foothills of the Ouachita National Forest, and home to Oaklawn Horse Racing, where tourism thrives. This boutique bed and breakfast offers 5 deluxe suites. Flat-screen TVs with YouTube TV, Wi-Fi and DVD movie library. Spa tubs, fireplaces, 1,000 thread count sheets, fluffy robes and more. The 5 acres offers over 5 acres to explore, gardens, swings and hammocks, fire pits and firewood, stone fireplace and patio with patio lights for tranquility and relaxing. Business opportunity to host weddings up to 100 people. Honeymoons? Family reunions, retreats, weekend escapes, adventure, romantic getaways, birthdays, road trips and more.